1885 to 1905 is the phase of moderates. जब तक गर्जन रहा. If I am talking about Lord Curzon, criticized the ability of Indian people to rule. Criticize the ability of Indian people to rule. तो उसने साफ शब्दों में बोला कि इंडियन पीपल कैन नॉट रूल. यस और नॉट? Criticize the ability of Indian people to rule. And he introduced Indian डफरिन में लिख लेंगे इलाहाबाद यूनिवर्सिटी इन 1885. इलाहाबाद यूनिवर्सिटी डफली बजा रहे थे अल्लाह के लिए. किसके लिए? अल्लाह के लिए. 1885 में कौन सा यूनिवर्सिटी आया? इलाहाबाद यूनिवर्सिटी. और 1853 में कौन सा यूनिवर्सिटी की बात की गई थी? यस टेल में. बॉम्बे, मद्रास, कोलकाता. अंडरस्टूड? बॉम्बे, मद्रास, कोलकाता, जो कि 1857 से स्टार्ट हो गया. अंडरस्टूड? एंड देन वी हैव सीन अनदर कॉलेज ड्यूरिंग द मायो पीरियड. यस और नॉट? एंड वन वी हैव सीन ड्यूरिंग द डफरिन पीरियड विच इलाहाबाद यूनिवर्सिटी. Introduction of Indian University Act 1904. इन्होंने क्या दिया? What he has given? Indian University Act 1904. लेकिन इसका उल्टा ही ये रहा. The way that he has made the image, he was the people of Bengal. Bengal was the main center of what is the growth of nationalism. They thought that they will teach in the university in which they will suppress the what is in the mind of the people against the nationalism, against the nationalism. This university, Indian University Act, has been gone against. This Indian University Act has gone against it. Understood? And then he also introduced, I said that Indian primary education के लिए upliftment के लिए primary education 1902. तो यूनिवर्सिटी के लिए पहले बता दिया क्योंकि बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट फैक्टर था. प्राइमरी एजुकेशन के लिए ही इंट्रोड्यूस्ड. क्रिटिसाइज द एबिलिटी ऑफ इंडियन पीपल, इंट्रोड्यूस इंडियन. ये दोनों चीज़ें अगर ही इट इज गोइंग अगेंस्ट हिम, बट ही मेड 7,000 miles railway track only in his tenure period. 7,000. समझ में आ रहा है? यस. एक तो हम लोग 1853 से लेकर 1899 तक का पीरियड देखा जाए 27,000, एंड वन पीरियड दैट वी सी दैट 7,000 miles railway track. Understood? 7,000 miles railway track has been introduced. Another biggest mistake that he did, Bengal division. What he did? And Bengal division when he did, आज का बांग्लादेश and West Bengal. Suppose this is West Bengal and this is, I said, East Bengal. The two Bengal division has been said. Then he said that for the administrative purpose, and I said that East Bengal Eastern Bengal has what? Weakly developed. Weakly developed. So we have to develop it separately. East Bengal is what? Weak development. तो ये क्या सही है या गलत है? Weakly developed. Yes. Is this correct or wrong? Is it correct or wrong? कि बंगाल में it is a large area, I'm not able to do the administration. Another it is weakly developed. तो भाई साउथ में भी तो बड़े बड़े आपके पास हैं provinces. Why don't you divide it? Yes. And the southern region is more, less developed than the Bengal region. So these are the 2 points. Again, remember that. आपको मेंस में भी लिखना है. I said which are administration. The larger areas are other areas are also larger areas. And East Bengal has been, I said that, weakly developed. The other provinces which are under the British East India Company, it has been also under the what? Comparatively, compared to this region, it is less developed. So compare दूसरी southern India, Bombay Presidency, Madras Presidency, it is less developed than the Bengal. Bengal was an active zone. Getting my point? यदि criticize करना है तो ये 2 points को दिमाग में रखेंगे. What are the 2 points that he has been criticized? There is a larger area compared to this, and there is, I said that Bengal, Bombay Presidency छोटा था कि पूरा महाराष्ट्र वगैरह लेते हुए पूरे region को देखते हुए Gujarat and all, and then even then parts of Rajasthan and all it is coming. So if it is such a large area is there, and another region Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu region and parts of Karnataka and all, present Tamil Nadu and Andhra and all, it is in which under Madras Presidency. छोटा सोता था नहीं. So why don't you divide that? तो इसने सारे प्रॉब्लम खड़े करके गया. क्या खड़े करके गया? So the Bengal division, तो मिस्टेक्स ज़्यादा नज़र आ रहे हैं, लेकिन काम भी किया हुआ है इसने, ऐसा नहीं है. इतना बड़ा रेलवे ट्रैक तैयार किया इसने. In his period, 7,000 miles railway track. And then criticized the ability of Indian people. Introduced Indian University Act, which is supposed to be good, but the Indian people has taken it against the nationalism. Somewhere they are trying to suppress our nationalism. Therefore, they gone against it. And then we have been seen primary education is there, लेकिन lack of grant is add. Always इसको रखा जाता था, लेकिन grant मिलता नहीं था इसको ज़्यादा. तो primary education is always under the problem. There is a good amount of money needed to improve this situation. Understood it? Against this division, Swadeshi and which movement? Swadeshi movement and boycott. Swadeshi and boycott movement has been started. In 1905, what has been started? Understood? Swadeshi and boycott movement. And at this time, जब ये बंगाल डिवीजन हुआ, at that time at बनारस, और बेटर टू से पहले बनारस ही बोलते थे, अब ना वाराणसी. At वाराणसी, गोपाल कृष्ण गोखले was the what? Indian National Congress president, and he was very much moderate. Too much moderate. He did not say too many things about it, because they were considering that difference is in a fast and slow. They were talking about we have to take Swaraj. The Congress, the Indian National Congress, these moderates were to saying that we have to take this self government, हमें अपने अंदर लाना है, ये self government बनाना है, स्वराज. Yes or not? but with the pace should be slow. Pace should be slow. And then the people of others are talking about why, and that becomes extremist. And then Indian National Congress president at that time. And because of this Swadeshi and boycott movement, I said that indigenous Indian industrialization started. पहले तो वो कर रहे थे ना, they are for their own benefit they are doing. Now when they started boycotting the foreign goods, Swadeshi and boycott movement में क्या हुआ? They started boycotting the foreign goods and it has gone till 1908, 1905 to Swadeshi and boycott movement. Understood? We have not to use the foreign goods, we will use our goods. And इसी समय, shall I remove this? Now we are going to enter towards, कहाँ पे move करने जा रहे हैं हम लोग? 1906 to 1910, that is Lord Minto, लेकिन इसी period में entry करने जा रहे हैं. So indigenous industrialization, इसी समय there is a coming of, after 1905, there is a coming of what? Extremist. They are also like a moderates, follower of it, but they do not, extremists never believe in what is throwing bomb and all. ध्यान में रखिएगा, throwing bomb is not the going to give. Their motto is the same way, doing the movement and all, and then getting their what? But they are asking for fast. They are asking for aggression, little aggressive nationalism. Understood? Extremists come, and at the same time militant martyrs, or better to say our freedom fighter militant, जिसको इन्होंने यूज किया militant. Understood? Clear? So after 1905 the thing has been changed. After the 1905 thing has been, so one phase was going only moderate, another phase it is started becoming not only extremist camp, at the same time who camp, and those who believes in by killing the foreigners we can get the independence. Throwing bomb and something like this, killing someone, we can be able to get what? Freedom. लेकिन आप भी सोचो, ऐसे चीज में ना तो कभी लीडर कोई हो पाया, पर्टिकुलर लीडर वाज नॉट देयर, दोज हु आर फॉलोइंग. लेटर फेज जो हम लोग देखते हैं भगत सिंह एंड ऑल, आप यहाँ पे भी देखते हैं तो भगत सिंह जो बनाया गया था, इट इज एन, आई सेड दैट सचिंद्र सान्याल दैट हु हैज मेड इन द 1925 में देयर इज एन HRA, हिंदुस्तान रिपब्लिकन एसोसिएशन. बाद में इट हैज बीन 1928 में इट बिकम व्हाट? हिंदुस्तान सोशलिस्ट. उनका काम था, लेकिन इट इज नॉट लाइक एन अ मिलिटेंट, बट इट इज स्टिल कंसिडर्ड इन देयर बुक, स्टिल कंसिडर्ड एज एन मिलिटेंट. अंडरस्टूड? चंद्रशेखर आजाद जिन्होंने HSRI बनाया. Shall I remove this? Understood? So 1905 onward these two things has been done, means extremist camp and all. So सबसे ज्यादा प्रेशर किस पे आ गया? किस पर? मिंटू पे आ गया. किस पे? कर्ज लेओगे तो क्या होगा? You will come under the pressure. और किसने लिया? मिंटो चॉकलेट खाने के लिए कर्ज ले लिया आपने. नेक्स्ट वन इज लॉर्ड मिंटो, एंड फ्रॉम द 1906 to 1910, और बेटर टू से 11 लिख दो आप. Lord Minto. One Minto we have seen, I said that 1807 to 1830, and here it is, I said that 1906 to 1911. Lord Minto. What is there? In 1906 इन्हीं के पीरियड में क्या हुआ? I said that Indian National Congress president बन गए. That actually that the Congress were searching for who should be there, who can become. दादा भाई नौरोजी बनाया जा रहा था, लेकिन दादा भाई सॉरी किसी और को बनाया जा रहा था, but no one was available. Finally who left? दादा भाई नौरोजी. उनको भी लगा कि ये मॉडरेट टाइप में होंगे. So president, who become president in 1906? दादा भाई नौरोजी. And he supported extremist. इन्होंने किसको सपोर्ट किया? And he also supported the continual